Hello fellow geeks. You all know how I love my T430. It is fully upgraded, wonderful machine, but there's one issue with this laptop. And the issue is you can't get enough of T430s. Oops, I did it again. I have another one. And as you have already seen on the previews, in my shorts probably, we have the second T430. It was an impulsive purchase, and unfortunately it is not as perfect as I wish it to be. So what we have to do is we have to service it. The temperatures on this laptop not quite the ones that I would like to have in a laptop. Therefore, we will disassemble it now and change the thermal grease. And also we'll see what's inside of this laptop, because this machine is a war rig of some dude. He loved it. I can see because he replaced this sticker. It is pretty much clean. It's not really scratched as it used to be with laptops of this age. So it has minimal wear and tear marks, and like its problem was AZERTY keyboard, which I had to replace to QWERTY. Let's disassemble this laptop and see what we can do to make it a better one. Also, I think we'll do some refurbishment.
It hums like an old friend, whispers in the dark. Keys worn down, letters barely leave their mark. Black plastic faded, cracked in the sun. Still boots like a fighter, ready to run. Linux carved in its soul, freedom in every scroll.
Okay, temps update for our T430. Previously it was like 64 on idle. Right now it is 67 after a bunch of time on 100 load. I think this is a victory. We have a properly working ThinkPad that I'm gonna upgrade to the 4-core CPU anyways. Thanks everyone guys, have a nice one.